Uganda, Neslo Lobobo, Ajiok, Aboliak, Ajaikin Abolia Shonu ka Commonwealth Games, nu Itolosho ko Birmingham. Aboliak, Ikany, Luimoriarito, Teddy Nakimuli, Kesi Pote, Aboikin Uganda, Kotoma Akronu Ainang Emakode.
Maintaining the boxers' weight so that they have to box when in their good weights are normal. Tomorrow we are going for the sports day entry check for these boxers and the draws and the general meeting to know how we are going to make the rules of this tournament, the Commonwealth tournament, due to boxing. Yeah, that's what we are doing right now, which is good. Everyone is in his weight. They are trying just to maintain. They are healthy. No one is sick on our squad. Of the 6, the 5 and the 1 girl, we are all good and set for the games. Ugandans should expect the best from us.
Ekodetela Aboliak Kangul, Ekapakina Idukurto, Birmingham, Kano Aitelekar, Aboliak Kechna Sodit, na Eponi Aitolot, Moi Kanai Kanyet. Ekodetela kwa Uganda National Boxing Team, Nesi, Okarlo Lukumniare Kedito Mna Kanyauni, Koto Abolia Shonu ka Commonwealth, Kesia Potu, Aitelekar, Imidalin, Kotoma Abolia Shoka Ngun, Noda Isipe Jot, Aquapnako Gold Coast, Australia. Uganda Nesi Ajiok Kotoma Kwapin, Nuisamait Ajiok, Kotoma Abolia Shonu Gitigita, Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV is.